Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. In today's video, I will show you how to do slow motion effects in a Capcut. Here are some tips that make your video cool and attractive. Let's go. First, open Capcut and create a new project. Select the video clip you want to edit and add it to your timeline. Now that you have the clip in timeline, tap on Clip to select it. You will see a toolbar on the top of the screen. Find the speed option. Tap on it. Here you will see two options, normal and curve. For a simple slow motion effect, select a normal. It is really easy. I will show you more advanced slow motion effect. You can use the curve option. This lets you customize speed of different parts of clip. Tap on curve and create your own custom curve. I select montage custom. Lower U curve makes a slow-mo clip. See, I slow one part of video slow. See slow-mo apply on only first part. Now I started moving down curve of all the parts of the clip to apply slow-mo on whole clip. After doing this on clip, make your clip more unique and attractive. And that's it. You have successfully created a slow-motion video using Capcut. That's really a unique way to do slow-mo on Capcut. Enjoy your editing on Capcut. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech ties and tutorials.